Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as the economic titan of the Middle East, utilizing a trillion-dollar sovereign funding matrix to redefine global engineering. This ambition is fueled by Saudi Aramco, officially the most valuable energy company on Earth, maintaining multi-trillion-dollar valuations through a massive statewide infrastructure. Because fossil fuel reserves are finite, the nation is executing an aggressive pivot called Vision 2030. The goal is to terraform the desert into a post-oil innovation hub and a center for high-tech industry. To ensure its economic survival through the next century, the state is attempting to convert its underground liquid wealth into an enduring, above-ground foundation for global technology. This is a satellite overview of NEOM's The Line, a 170-kilometer smart city engineered for zero cars and clean energy. Construction spans incredibly harsh, uninhabited terrain, presenting a macro-engineering challenge with few modern parallels. Capital alone cannot finish these projects. The state requires a massive and immediate influx of specialized technical talent, the architects and engineers capable of building at this scale. This creates a critical logistical question. How does a sovereign fund engineer an onboarding experience so lucrative that it overrides the challenges of relocating to a brutal subtropical desert? The process begins with a highly digitized border control network designed to minimize friction for incoming human capital. Under current Vision 2030 protocols, citizens of over 60 nations can secure a streamlined tourist e-visa online within minutes. A specific entry loophole exists for other passports as well. Instant e-visa privileges apply if you hold a physically used multiple entry visa from the US, UK, or Schengen zone, provided you arrive via a national carrier. For the long-term builders of these giga-projects, the state provides formal work residency sponsorship platforms alongside expanded premium residency tracks. Here, immigration is managed as a high-speed corporate talent acquisition funnel, rather than a traditional, slow bureaucratic hurdle. The primary economic incentive for these professionals is an absolute 0% personal income tax grid. High-tier software architects and mega-city design managers extract tax-free packages from $5,000 to $12,000 monthly. To protect earnings against volatility, the Saudi Riyal is rigidly pegged to the US dollar at 1 to 3.75. These salaries are weighed against a diverse real estate market. Monthly rent starts around $800 in stable municipal blocks, scaling up to over $2,200 in prime business sectors like Olaya or KAFD. Living costs are further offset by state-subsidized gasoline and water networks, keeping transportation costs remarkably low. Meanwhile, a hearty local meal generally costs between $6 and $12. This macroeconomic environment is engineered to maximize personal purchasing leverage, making it difficult for many Western markets to offer a comparable financial package. However, the site conditions remain a factor. The region is characterized by a severe subtropical desert climate with radical seasonal swings. From May to September, afternoon temperatures regularly reach 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, forcing all daily operations entirely indoors. The prime window for activity occurs between November and March. During these crisp, mild winters, temperatures in the northern regions can drop close to freezing. Beyond the climate, the operational environment is defined by its unparalleled personal security. Violent street crimes and organized gang activity are virtually non-existent across all provinces. This environment is maintained by a heavy, statewide surveillance network and zero-tolerance legal deterrence loops. This allows for absolute peace of mind when walking through financial districts at any hour. This high level of personal security is a consistent feature of daily life, provided one maintains awareness of local public decorum and anti-harassment laws. The nation is undergoing a dynamic shift, blending hyper-modern shopping complexes and global sporting events with traditional mud brick heritage sites like Diriyah. This lifestyle is anchored in desert trade history. Culinary icons like Kabsa, a saffron-infused lamb and rice dish, and cardamom-infused coffee remain central to the cultural identity. This cultural foundation is being integrated into the scale of new developments, such as the luxury resort infrastructure currently sprawling across the Red Sea archipelago. The broader strategy is the creation of an ultra-modern, tax-free enclave, a specialized sanctuary designed to attract and retain the world's top-tier technical talent in the heart of the desert. Would you baseline your next professional workspace inside a tax-free trillion-dollar empire where futuristic cities rise from the sand? Let us know in the comments. Next stop, Senegal, the vibrant musical capitals and coastal ports of West Africa. Subscribe to stay real.